Hey, welcome to North Central University's campus tour. My name is Rodrigo. I am a junior marketing student from Panama City, Panama.
And I'm Ebony. I am a freshman and studying business administration, and we'll be your tour guides for today.
We are super pumped to show you around campus. We're gonna take you to all our classrooms, the residence halls, and our cafeteria.
And we're super excited to show you what it looks like to be a student here at NCU. Let's get started.
North Central University is a Christian university with a commitment to academic excellence. Founded in 1930, North Central prepares students to fulfill biblical models of leadership and ministry throughout the world. Offering a world-class liberal arts education with over 60 areas of study located in the heart of downtown Minneapolis.
The first stop on our tour is Miller Hall. Inside Miller, you will find a lot of our academic offices and classrooms on the first and second floors, and women's residence halls on the third through fifth floors.
Directly in front of Miller, you can see our NCAA regulation turf soccer field. NCU helped build this over $1 million field in partnership with the city of Minneapolis, and it is home to both their soccer and lacrosse teams.
NCU is located in the heart of downtown Minneapolis, and there is never a shortage of activities going on. Entertainment, shopping, music, art, and job and internship opportunities are all in our backyard. Minneapolis is America's #1 bike-friendly city. You can hop on a bike from campus here and go anywhere you want.
Or you can walk half a mile to the light rail, which can take you all around the city, from the Mall of America to the Twin Stadium. The Stonehenge Bridge, the Garthy Theater, and the US Bank Stadium are all within walking distance of campus as well. Students regularly walk together to get groceries or explore the many local coffee shops around town.
Job and internship opportunities are possible at one of the 18 nearby Fortune 500 companies such as General Mills, United Health, 3M, Target Corporate, as well as many leading nonprofits. There are a lot of ministry opportunities in the area and a number of great local churches to get involved with. NCU takes our safety on campus seriously. With keycard access to all our buildings, extensive interior and exterior surveillance cameras, and a 24/7 escort system available.
Our qualified officers receive over 60 hours of training every year. Our next stop on the tour is the T.J. Jones Memorial Library. There are plenty of computers and study spaces scattered throughout the place, as well as reclining chairs where you can maybe curl up and read a book. It's a bright and comfortable place to study.
Now let's head over to Menzing Hall, which houses our College of Fine Arts. In Menzing, you'll find individual and group practice rooms, an updated Mac lab, and state-of-the-art recording studio. All NCU students have the opportunity to get involved in choirs, ensembles, and music lessons. Our music students not only lead the worship teams for chapel, but they record entire albums and travel the world performing in places such as Spain and Carnegie Hall.
With a campus population of about 1,100 students, NCU provides a dynamic environment in which to grow and learn, along with an intimate sense of community. With a 17-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio, students have great access to one-on-one time with faculty. Not only do the professors care about the students' academic progress, but they are also passionate about mentoring students and helping them pursue their dreams.
Every student, staff, and faculty member at NCU is a professing Christian. As an expert in their field, they will teach you the fundamentals necessary to succeed in the modern job market, as well as demonstrate how to integrate your faith into your professional life.
One of the key distinctives of North Central University is its commitment to a biblically centered education. One way this is demonstrated is through our daily chapel service here in the Linquist Sanctuary. The chapel at North Central incorporates different styles of worship and speakers ranging from NCU faculty to well-known ministry leaders from around the world. In addition, Praise Gathering is a student-led worship service held on Wednesday nights. It's a great time where students get to praise God and worship together as a community. It truly is an amazing experience.
One thing's for sure, at NCU, you won't go hungry. Our cafeteria is all-you-can-eat buffet style with different entrees to choose from each day. And the best part, all-you-can-eat hard scoop ice cream.
Our cafeteria is a great place for socializing with friends, and meal times tend to be a great place for community. Along with premier academics and a spiritual commitment, one of NCU's strongest features is our vibrant campus community. Residence life in the dorms is where that community thrives. Every residence hall at NCU offers the same amenities, such as Wi-Fi, free laundry facilities, community lounges, and 24/7 keycard access to our fitness center and surrounding buildings.
In Phillips Hall, you'll find the newly renovated Clay Commons. Clay is an amazing student lounge and study space perfect for group studying and connecting with friends. Phillips Hall also hosts additional suite-style student dorms and more classrooms.
The next stop on our tour is the gym, where students come together to cheer on our varsity level basketball and volleyball teams. Our gym is also used for large community-wide events on campus like Funky Night and Battle of the Floors. With everything NCU has to offer, there's no doubt why students treasure their college experience here for the rest of their lives.
Okay guys, now that you've got a glimpse of our campus here in the heart of downtown Minneapolis, the truth is you're gonna have dozens of colleges to choose from, both large and small, down the street and far away from home. But the best way to choose your future school is to experience it.
So come explore our campus by scheduling a visit today. Follow the link below and start your own NCU journey. Yes! Okay. That's the one.